Welcome back to the channel. Windows 10 is officially back, and Microsoft just made it free for another year. In this video, we're going to follow a step-by-step guide to install Windows, activate it, then get and install the security updates. Microsoft has officially extended Windows 10 support. Free extended security updates now run through October 12, 2027, a full year longer than the original October 2026 cutoff. Why the change? Windows 10 still holds roughly a quarter of the global Windows market. An estimated 1 billion PCs were still running it as of late 2025. With that many people not ready to move on, Microsoft decided to give everyone more breathing room. I'll give you a tour of a freshly installed Windows. You can check the installation method of Windows 10 on my YouTube channel. Link is in the description. I installed it today, and now we will activate it and check for updates. There are a couple of ways to activate Windows 10, but I'll be using the official method to fully activate Windows 10 Pro. If you need help getting your Windows environment set up, feel free to contact me. Now let's check our activation status. And as you can see, Windows is activated with a valid digital license, confirming everything's set up correctly. Next, we'll head over and hit Check for Updates. Once that's done, you'll see Windows pulling down the official security, cumulative, and quality updates straight from Microsoft. Now we just sit back and let it download and install, and once that's wrapped up, we'll hit Restart to lock everything in. And that's it. This is how you can keep using Windows 10 for another full year, completely hassle-free. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family.